welcome. So today we're going to be looking at EURCAD pair, and because I think we're at resale level that I may be doing business. Okay, so what is this? This is a trading range. This is the high of the range. This is the low of the range. And if you note precisely, whenever we try to escape the range, deviation come back inside met to the mid. Deviation come back inside to the mid, and the mid also sends the price back to the the higher the range. So these all of these above are deviations, and also now notably we came back to the low of the range, which is this, and then another deviation back to the mid, but this time we extended to the culture. So I was looking, I remember when I was reading, I was looking, maybe if we come back to the culture, I look to buy, but it didn't. So which makes this, the way I'm looking at it, this was support, okay, plus the med. The med is the 50% of all the range. The culture is 0.75. This culture is 0.25. So that's what you put in your Fibonacci. All right. So this is our climate support until until proven otherwise. Okay, so we came back, med pushing higher. This time, once we broke it, we push lower to the med. So now, are we gonna push? That's why I'm looking this. I'm looking at this. Are we gonna push higher again here or not? So this is the narrative. So in order for you to actually catch swings, you need to we really have a narrative of the market and where we're at and what's more likely we're gonna do. So this is a support, reclaimed support. Why is reclaimed support? Mix this. All of this is a large deviation into the low of the range, and now we're back inside. Okay, so we have been having just shallow pullbacks, high, low, high, low. This is the first. But this, the problem here is this is coming from resistance. Okay, so resistance is the capture plus a highs. These highs, that's also resistance. All right, how are we gonna approach this? That's probably what you are looking for. So now we can go from the weekly to the daily and see what we're gonna have. Okay, what is keeping the market here is this low. Okay, so we broke it, we broke it, below. We came. This is a very strong sell-off. We broke it lower, and now well, the market is trying to decide: are we gonna come check these lows because these two lows are very close to each other. So I'm not gonna be surprised if we come check that, and then the large deviation happens here, and then we push higher. So that's what I'm looking at. And these levels are very close, so that's like a very clear stop losses. Like people who are buying this having their stop losses there, so the market sometimes is attracted to that. Okay, so what if we take it from here? Because we started the mad watch at support. Okay, we're gonna react to the market. We're not gonna be just buying there. If I buy whenever I buy here, my validation is really far away, probably below here. Okay, because I know there will be maybe a deviation here. How are we gonna approach this? So we said this is keeping the market. So we need to break above this resistance. Okay, this is resistance, which makes this a large deviation, not too much large, but and then once we break above like this, I'm interested. So we need to probably check this high. You see this high is the last swing high, and then once that happens, once any pullback to the resistance, and then I will look into this entire lower time frame into 1 hour, 4 hour for an entry. Once we shift the structure there, I will check it probably to the Carter or this neckline also that's a level. So two levels. This T1, T1. Can we take it all the way up there? Yes, but I'm not really. I don't want to swing it all the way up because this first leg is aggressive. So we might have a trading range here. We might have a tap for a second leg lower. So who knows? Anyway, so this is what I'm gonna wait for, and let's see what the market is gonna bring to us. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, make sure to share it with your friends, and let's make trading great again.